The tempting news of the week was basically, well, we got the last episode of WandaVision.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tapan Singh Podcast. I'm your host, Tapan Singh. Today, I am starting a new series where I will be talking about pop culture news happened in the last week with my friend Mahi. He have a great Instagram page with more than 5.5k followers where he posts these kind of stuff. So do check that out. Link in the description. कैसे भाई माही?
बहुत बढ़िया भाई, क्या हाल चाल?
एकदम बढ़िया यार, एकदम बढ़िया. So क्या माही सबसे पहले न्यूज हम किस पे डिस्कस करने वाले हैं?
The tempting news of the week was basically, well, we got the last episode of WandaVision. No spoilers here. Tapan has already watched it, so I'll s- I just told him not to spoil it for me.
Okay.
But let us know in the comments how did you like the series. Like I have watched it like episode 8. What's your review on that? Like Tapan's review. Let's get the Tapan's review first.
ओके सो व्हाट आई थिंक इज कि जो नाइन्थ एपिसोड था, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव स्पॉयलर्स, बट जो नाइन्थ एपिसोड था मेरे हिसाब से बहुत ज्यादा सेटिस्फाइड नहीं था, राइट? कि मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि पूरा सेटिस्फेक्शन मिला, बट मार्वल जो करता है उसने वही किया कि एक बेस्ट एंडिंग दी और एक लूप छोड़ दिया जिससे वो एक नई मूवी सीरीज तैयार कर सके. वो इस चीज में बेस्ट है, तो मार्वल ने वही किया नाइन्थ एपिसोड के अंदर.
So basically,
और
they left a cliffhanger,
हाँ.
and I'm keeping my hopes less now, somewhat after the 8 episodes,
नहीं नहीं,
because like
एपिसोड
the
बहुत
eight
अच्छा है.
episodes are marvels. Like
सो एट्थ एपिसोड तक हमें लग रहा था कि ये जो सीरीज रहेगी बहुत मतलब एंड तक सेटिस्फाई हो जाएंगे हम, और एंड में हमें पता लग जाएगा सब. मार्वल ने वही लूप छोड़ा और फिर से वही चीज करी. अब जो होने वाला है उसके लिए भी उन्होंने 2 पोस्ट क्रेडिट सीन दिए हैं. ठीक है, इतना तो चलता है, इतना तो मतलब 2 पोस्ट क्रेडिट सीन दिए तो
बनता
लास्ट तक देखना है ना.
बनता
तो उसका पता लगेगा. ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट
Let's
न्यूज
see
क्या
now.
है? हाँ.
Next news was
अच्छा.
like there was this rumor that Emma Watson was retiring, and she clearly just said that no, it's not happening. I don't know who made that rumor. That's like bullshit.
हाँ, सो ई न्यूज, देयर इज अ चैनल इन अमेरिका, ई न्यूज करके, तो उन्होंने एक पोस्ट किया, पूरी शॉर्ट क्लिप एक
Yeah, I
थी
know
वो
about
जिस.
the channel. I
हाँ.
know about the channel, but it was like weird to listen even to that, right?
हाँ, सो उनकी न्यूज ये थी कि उन्होंने एमा वॉटसन अपने रिलेशनशिप को ज्यादा टाइम देना चाहती है, इसलिए वो क्विट कर रही है. और वो डिबेट कर रहे थे कि उन्होंने कितनी बेस्ट सीरीज दी है, और उनका एक ये पॉइंट भी था कि एमा वॉटसन ने अपना करियर बहुत स्टार्टिंग में स्टार्ट किया था और उन्होंने कुछ 25-30 ईयर शायद कंप्लीट कर लिए, तो क्या ये इनफ है? लेकिन अभी तक एमा वॉटसन की कुछ मतलब न्यूज नहीं आई है, उन्होंने कुछ एग्री डिसएग्री
I
नहीं किया है.
let me see how old is she, because she started um
हाँ.
at
सो
I guess 13,
हाँ.
है ना?
हाँ, 13,
Age
12,
11.
13.
She started when she was
11.
11,
ये तो बहुत हुआ.
and now she's 30. So that's 29 years of acting. But even then, like, she's just 30. I don't think there was any point of like making something up just for a relation. But yeah, like, I don't know why people just like these news channels just tend to bother in between the private lives of these people. Like, just leave them be, bro.
चलो नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट न्यूज की तरफ चलते हैं. सो द नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज
The biggest
स्पाइडर.
one, Spider-Man's, that
यस.
No Way Home, the title reveal. Damn it, that thing was like they just released what, a 15-second clip, and
हाँ,
legit that was the sensation of the week. The whiteboard had so many
so
Easter
many
eggs,
Easter eggs. Yeah.
so many. Like there was so like I read the Twitter thread about so many things. It had so we have this like there are titles discussed: home run,
Hmm.
and then we was like see, homeschooled, and they just cut it out. Aunt May says no, like
Hmm.
because she denied for homeschooling and all,
Hmm.
and work from home was a COVID teaser, like COVID
हाँ.
Easter egg, right? Work from home. And then was like homeworld's boring. there was
Mhm.
like pretty like things. There are certain things that I don't have some clues of. Like
Mhm.
obviously there's a lot of stuff here.
So क्या
And
लगता है
there was like,
मल्टीवर्स आएगा इसके अंदर नहीं आएगा?
I'm expecting multiverse. I'm actually expecting multiverse. I'm expecting multiverse out of this. I'm expecting multiverse in WandaVision. I'm thinking the phase 4 that just commenced in 2021 is gonna be about multiverse. They're
मल्टीवर्स.
gonna combine everything. Like
हम्म.
everyone's gonna be like in it. And like WandaVision saw X-Men's.
हम्म.
WandaVision saw X-Men, right?
हम्म.
And then Spider-Man is hinted that he'll be seeing other people from other universes. And yeah, like Marvel's gonna make multiverse, because after Avengers, the only way they can bring together more people, like more heroes in the same thing,
हम्म.
is by multiverse. They can't do it otherwise.
द
So
नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज लोकी की रिलीज डेट रिलीज हो गई है. सो
wow.
लोकी की जो रिलीज डेट है वो 11 जून है, राइट?
Hmm. And Loki is gonna be good. Like I think the trailer had the snippets from an Avenger movie. I have watched that trailer before. I have watched those scenes before a bit. I don't know if it was released earlier as well as the trailer. Like I have seen the trailer twice and I thought it was a movie, but I have seen that earlier. And it's gonna be good. I always liked Loki
हाँ
in
यार.
Avengers. Loki is like,
हाँ हाँ.
जैसे कहते हैं ना, उसका उसका ह्यूमर अलग लेवल का है. उसकी एक जो होती है ना, लाइक उसका करेक्टर कुछ डिफरेंट है. वो मजा आता है देख के. इट्स लाइक सो फन टू वॉच इट.
और मेरे मेरे हिसाब से, दिस इज माय ओपिनियन, मेरे को टोनी स्टार्क, रॉबर्ट डाउनी जूनियर के बाद लोकी ही पसंद है एज एन एक्टर. मतलब वो पता है.
रॉबर्ट डाउनी जूनियर इज अनदर लेवल.
हाँ.
उसकी तो कोई भी मूवी देख लो, इट्स फन टू
हाँ.
वॉच इट.
ओके. सो उसके बाद तेरे को कौन सा एक्टर ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, मतलब एवेंजर के अंदर?
रॉबर्ट, अवेंजर्स में वेट होल्ड ऑन. I don't remember the name of the actors, to be honest, but I
हम्म.
just know it's Thor. So basically Thor, right?
क्रिस
Who plays
हेम्सवर्थ.
Thor? Chris Hemsworth. I get confused in it's like Chris Evans is Captain
कैप्टन
America, right?
अमेरिका, या.
Yeah, cool. Okay.
ओके.
Achievement. I
सो
remember the name.
तेरे को पता है टॉम, जो एक्टर है लोकी, उसका नाम टॉम है, टॉम हिडलसन. तो अगर मैं प्रोनाउंस
हाँ,
कर
Tom
रहा हूँ तो
Hiddleston.
हाँ. तो वो पहले थॉर के लिए ऑडिशन दे रहा था और उसके बाद उसे लोकी
हाँ.
का वो मिला.
He won't suit it. He won't suit it.
हाँ, क्योंकि नहीं यार, ऐसा नहीं है.
Thor,
मार्वल,
Thor.
अगर
Thor है.
क्रिस हेम्सवर्थ को एवेंजर से तू पहले देखेगा ना, तू नहीं मानेगा कि क्रिस हेम्सवर्थ ये कर सकता था, क्योंकि वो बहुत लीन था और वो था. लेकिन मार्वल ना करवा सकती है
नहीं नहीं.
भाई किसी से भी.
I'll tell you. See, it doesn't depend on कि उसकी बॉडी शेप कैसी है. उनके ना एक होता है, पर्सनालिटी होती है. That's what the जो कास्टिंग मेंबर्स होते हैं उनका काम यही है, राइट? दे नो व्हाट दे आर लुकिंग फॉर.
हाँ.
क्रिस हेम्सवर्थ का फेस भी उस जैसा है. Like it suits the thing. Like the best example I can give, that casting members are really good at what they do. They did it perfect for Superman when they casted Henry Cavill. Henry Cavill looks like exactly Superman. Like Superman would have looked like that अगर वो असली होता तो, right? तो हाँ, क्रिस हेम्सवर्थ सूट, लोकी नहीं सूट करता बिल्कुल भी.
और प्लस ना, लोकी एज अ कैरेक्टर, जो टॉम है ना, उसका थोड़ा सा ना साउंड में ही, मतलब जैसे वो बात करता है
हाँ,
उसी के अंदर थोड़ा सा
exactly,
ना
थोड़ा
सैवेज है.
evil-ish है.
हाँ,
हाँ,
मतलब बीच
exactly,
बीच में थोड़ी
थोड़ा.
सी मजे ले लिए तो
हाँ,
वो
उसके
एग्जैक्टली उस कैरेक्टर में बैठता है
लोकी
वो.
की प्रोफाइल सेट करता है वो.
हाँ.
Exactly, वही वही कह रहा हूँ मैं, right?
So
Okay,
what is the
next up.
next news?
Then next was Money Heist season 5 is coming finally. I
हाँ.
haven't watched Money Heist, just to let you know.
ब्रो तू क्या कर रहा है? तू मनी हाइस्ट देख
See,
यार पहले.
I'll tell you. Wait,
हाँ.
hold on.
हाँ.
Money Heist season 1, I started watching it, right?
Okay.
In the middle of it, I got some work for like 2 to 3 days, right? And I just left it and I had to start working, right? Uske baad, it went like a month or something. I couldn't watch anything. I was so busy. And then I was like, "ठीक है, I am not starting that again," right? It just left the hook. एंड उसके बाद सीजन आने बाकी शुरू हुए, सो आई हैवंट वॉच्ड देम एनीवेज बिकॉज़ अब मेरा मन नहीं है फिर से वो देखने का.
यार
Just got stuck.
मैं बता रहा हूँ तेरे को 5 सीजन आए थे, शुरू से देख, क्योंकि जहां पर वो छोड़ रहे हैं ना सीजन, उसके बाद इतना मतलब वही मार्वल वाला लूप वाला सिस्टम है कि जहां पर भी वो छोड़ रहे हैं
Fun
ना वो
fact.
बहुत. हाँ.
Fun fact. Fun fact.
हम्म.
Money Heist is a Spanish program, right? It's a
हम्म.
Spanish TV series,
हम्म.
right? The
हम्म.
damn thing flopped in Spain.
है सही में?
They
ये तो
stopped
नहीं पता.
making the damn show after season second.
इन स्पेनिश.
Yep. And whatever you see after season 2 is made by Netflix, not the original producers.
ओ ये तो अच्छा फैक्ट है.
Damn thing. Okay. Now this thing can be linked to two things,
ओके.
right?
हाँ हाँ.
First, Spain doesn't have taste. One.
मैं नहीं बोल रहा
Bunches,
भाई.
right? Okay. I'm not saying they don't have. There's a possibility,
हाँ.
right? There's a possibility
Okay.
that they have such shows more often. That's why
Hmm.
they didn't like it any much, right?
Hmm.
Okay. There's a chance. Second thing is, Netflix is too powerful to fail,
Oh, I like the second one, bro.
right?
सही में
Netflix,
हम्म.
Netflix की जो marketing है, see, Netflix marketing is so powerful. They have overgrown most of their competitors without even flinching for a second, right? And their marketing has pulled off so many things. Like biggest example as those shows that are like fucking shit and they just work because they're on Netflix.
ठीक है.
So
I agree with
Money
that point.
Heist is either Money Heist is not good and it was Netflix, or Spain doesn't have taste. If it's good, then Spain didn't have taste good enough. If it isn't good, actually, then it was Netflix. Either one.
True. I agree with you. Okay. So, Winter Soldier
We
का
have
और Falcon का
Winter
नया
Soldier
trailer
का
आ गया.
हमारा जो नया ट्रेलर आया था, it was like a week and a half ago, right? And
कैसा लगा?
couple of screenshots were there as well. See, I'm expecting multiverse in that as well.
कहाँ यार, उसमें कहाँ है? उसमें
You never know. Do you
अगर
know Marvel?
मल्टीवर्स स्टार्ट होगा ना तो स्पाइडरमैन से होगा और फिर वो कहीं कहीं
See,
धीरे धीरे इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, ना कि
WandaVision
विंटर सोल्जर.
already started it.
काइंड ऑफ मतलब उन्होंने स्टार्ट नहीं किया है कि जो जैसे माइल्स मॉरिस की जो स्पाइडरमैन आई थी उन्होंने एग्जैक्ट बताया था कि ऐसे ऐसा है और ऐसा ऐसा है. उसके अंदर उन्होंने जस्ट हिंट किया है कि अगले कुछ सीरीज के अंदर आप देख सकते हो ऐसा कि वो, और ऊपर से व्हाट इफ वाला जो चल रहा है मार्वल का, उसके अंदर ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो मल्टीवर्स में ना हो रहा हो और वो व्हाट इफ्स के अंदर डाल के कुछ बनाए, ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
Honestly, I'm like, I don't predict things that Marvel's gonna do much because they don't go on record. Like हमेशा वो कुछ ना कुछ अजीब ही करते हैं. और always कुछ ना कुछ होता है जो particular detail से match नहीं करेगा. You will miss something at least. Kiko said that iPhone will be using a punch hole camera for 2022. And 2023 they will be getting rid of that and using in-screen camera. Right, in-screen camera already been used by one phone. I don't remember the name of it. It was like a month and a two back or a two back. But it wasn't good. The camera wasn't good. The technology is far from complete.
हाँ, वो जरा सी इमेज दिख रही है उधर से, पिक्सल कम दिख रहे हैं. हाँ,
yeah, exactly.
अगर एक वन प्लस का भी ना मैक्लेरन एडिशन निकला था जिसके अंदर मतलब वो नहीं था लेकिन वो कैमरा हाइड हो जाते थे, है ना? वो अभी पीछे शायद 7 में था, 8 में था, मेरे को एग्जैक्टली नंबर नहीं याद आ रहा, बट 8 में 8 मैक्लेरन में था ना.
मैक्लेरन वन प्लस नहीं 8 था ना. 8 था. It was just a prototype. They didn't
launched it.
हाँ, didn't launch it.
Okay.
नहीं, वो concept था. There was concept. That wasn't a OnePlus 8 or something. Concept 1. Its name was Concept 1.
Okay. ठीक है,
एंड उसके
ठीक है।
कैमरे थे वो, उसके ऊपर ब्लैक कलर आ जाता था बेसिकली।
पॉइंट ये है कि जब एप्पल निकालेगा ना तो फिर वो मार्केट स्टैंडर्ड बनेगा कि ऐसा दिखना चाहिए क्योंकि
Exactly. They're gonna,
क्योंकि
if they remove
हाँ।
the power, if they
हम्म।
remove the that port,
हम्म।
charging port, everybody's gonna remove the
रिमूव
charging
इट,
port.
हाँ।
After they troll Apple for like couple
एप्पल,
of months, they're
हाँ
gonna do it themselves.
हाँ।
This always happens. This gonna
हम्म।
happen again,
हम्म।
right?
हम्म।
And thing is, I don't. You don't think that they're gonna use the punch hole display basically?
हाँ, आई डोंट थिंक दैट, बिकॉज जो एप्पल रखता है ना बहुत सिंपल रखता है, सिंप्लिसिटी पे ज्यादा फोकस
Exactly.
करता है, मिनिमलिज्म पे ज्यादा
Exactly.
फोकस करता है। तो अगर वो,
Minimalistic, yeah.
हाँ, सो अगर वो ये पंच होल ऐड कर देगा तो सारी जो नोटिफिकेशन की आइकन्स हैं उनके लिए जगह नहीं बचेगी। तो वो जो उसका मेन कॉन्सेप्ट है कि जब कभी भी कोई भी ऐप आपसे बिना पूछे भी लोकेशन यूज कर रही है तो आइकन आता है, हर चीज के लिए वो आपको
Exactly.
बताना चाहता है, तो उसके लिए स्पेस नहीं बचेगा। तो दिस इज व्हाट आई थिंक कि पंच होल,
It will be like उनको स्टेटस बार वापस लानी पड़ेगी।
एग्जैक्टली exactly. और अगर वो पंच
That is
होल
something
लाना
they
ही
won't
चाहते ना
do.
तो अभी 3 जनरेशन आ गई है, वो चेंज कर सकते थे 12th के अंदर, 10th 11th
हाँ,
और 12th।
exactly,
हाँ,
exactly.
तो
They're
उन्होंने
waiting
चेंज
for
नहीं किया।
something else.
समथिंग एल्स,
They're
एग्जैक्टली।
waiting for something else. Either they'll change the market again like they did it with the M1 chip,
हाँ,
or they'll stick with the notch. Easy.
I was like talking with Mahi for this M1 chip। याद है भाई, मतलब मैंने फर्स्ट पर्सन यूज नहीं किया, बट जो रिव्यूज सुने हैं M1 चिप के, ओहो,
See, मेरे
मतलब
brother
सब
ने
ब्लोन
use
अवे।
करे है।
अच्छा।
मेरे brother ने use करा,
अच्छा।
right? And the first question I was asked by other people, does it support pirated apps? Obviously, you're
डिलीवर
in
किया।
India, bro. They're gonna the first question everybody needs to know is, will they have to pay for Photoshop or not?
फोटोशॉप एग्जैक्टली। सो
Right?
व्हाट्स द आंसर मैन?
And it works.
इट
And it works better
वर्क्स।
than Intel Max.
सो
I
अब
was
इसके
like,
बाद
what?
बस अब कुछ नहीं चाहिए हमें, कुछ नहीं चाहिए यार, और
See,
मतलब हाँ।
अब
हम्म।
हमारे M1X आएगा. It will be
हम्म।
M1X.
हम्म।
That will power the 16-inch MacBooks, and it
हम्म।
will have a 16-core GPU.
हम्म।
Right now, it has 8-core GPU, I guess.
हम्म।
And that will be like beyond.
हेल्प
Beyond.
भाई।
If they
ओके।
do that,
हम्म।
it will beat my laptop at half the price.
हम्म। उनका मेन वही तो है ना कि यार एप्पल हमेशा से अच्छे हार्डवेयर बनाता है, ठीक है, तो फिर वो इंटेल चिप क्यों यूज करे? और उन्होंने, पता है, मेरे को ऐसा ही लगता है, उन्होंने जो उन्होंने आईपैड्स के अंदर यूज किया था वो उन्होंने ट्राई किया था कि हम इसे बेटर बना सकते कि नहीं बना सकते, और
Exactly, exactly.
आईपैड्स का कोई वो ही नहीं है कि आईपैड अब
See,
बेस्ट
even
टैबलेट्स है।
when they weren't using like the X chips, right?
हम्म। हम्म।
The M1 chip, even when they weren't using the M1 chip for the iPad,
हम्म।
iPad was already the market leader.
हाँ,
There is no tab on market that can beat iPad right now.
आईपैड। हम्म। और
And
विद
they got the
पेंसिल सपोर्ट,
confirmation that
मैजिक
this
की
thing works.
सपोर्ट, व्हाट।
And they got the proof with the M1 chip that
हाँ।
iPad that this chip will work.
हम्म।
And now they just ruined
वी
the
मेक द
entire
बेस्ट
laptop market.
हार्डवेयर पीरियड।
The entire thing is theirs.
हाँ।
Like उनके हार्डवेयर में एक भी चीज आउटसोर्स नहीं रह गई,
हाँ, मतलब
except the
एक
GPU.
जीपीयू आउटसोर्स कराते हैं वो।
GPU is mainly my GPU is AMD.
हम्म।
They switched to AMD long time ago,
हम्म।
right? But I'm thinking with the next M1X, they won't be needing the
हाँ,
GPU.
अरे यार फैन हटा दिए, फैन ही हटा दिए, उन्होंने कहा अब इसकी भी जरूरत नहीं है। हाँ।
But actually that was actually bad. People should be aware that if you buy a MacBook Air M1 without the fan,
हम्म।
that thing is not going to sustain peak performance for long times.
अच्छा।
You can multitask, you
हम्म।
can do anything you want, but if you are like rendering a video,
हम्म।
that thing's going to stutter after a while. मतलब पहले 5 मिनट सही चलेगी, फिर
हम्म।
एकदम से नीचे आ जाएगी, until unless तुम उसके नीचे पंखे वाला स्टैंड रख दो, that is your call. बट वो पोर्टेबल नहीं रहेगी, फिर वो लैपटॉप का फायदा क्या रहेगा?
से
स्नाइडर्स
जस्टिस लीग,
कट,
हाँ
स्नाइडर्स
साइडर्स,
कट, ओके,
सॉरी।
कूल 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 कूल.
Hmm.
That is something I want to make a video about as well. So I'll explain here. If
Hmm.
it goes well, we'll cut.
हाँ, मैं कंटेंट ही चुरा रहा हूँ लोगों का, ठीक है। ठीक है।
Acha. So
हाँ।
basically, Zack Snyder
हम्म।
was given the directorship of Justice League when
हम्म।
it was being made the first time,
हम्म।
right? But after some time, they didn't like his vision.
हम्म।
I don't know why they didn't like his vision, and there was some family issues with Zack Snyder.
हम्म।
I'll open up. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Hmm. Okay. Yes. So it so for the first cut, right? When it was being made for the first time, the Zack Snyder has the directorship, right?
हम्म।
And for some unfortunately he had some family troubles,
हम्म।
and also at the same time they took away his directorship,
हम्म।
right? And gave it to Joss Whedon.
हम्म।
Joss Whedon, that's what his name is, right?
आई डोंट नो, मैं इसलिए
The one
पूछ
who
रहा हूँ।
the one who directed Avengers, the first one.
हम्म।
Hold on, that's Joss Whedon or what's name? Yeah, Joss Whedon, film director, right? He was the one who directed the first Avengers,
हम्म।
right?
हम्म।
The directorship was given to him, and unexpectedly, he changed the entire theme of the movie for Justice League. He changed it all. He changed the direction. He changed the vision. He changed the storyline and all that, right?
हम्म।
And it was a major mess up because Zack Snyder had a lot better concept, a lot better direction, a lot better vision, right?
हम्म।
And it was obviously when someone like find some problem, you can't do just like take their job away from them. That was really bad from DC's part. But what happened. But then when the Justice League released, right,
हम्म।
it was a major damn ass crap movie
हम्म।
that came out, and people didn't like it. Straight shot. You didn't like it, did you?
नो।
I didn't. Like I
मैंने 20
did not
मिनट्स
like
देखे,
that
मैं नहीं
video.
देख पाया क्योंकि मेरे को, मैंने
I
वैसे
was
भी नहीं
like, भाई क्या हो रहा है ये? I was like नहीं भाई ये नहीं होगा,
ये
मैं
नहीं
जा रहा हूँ,
होगा।
बस हो गए। मतलब किसी देखी मैंने just because I started the movie, I was like चल खत्म कर ही देते हैं, क्या 1.5 घंटे की तो है, फोन चलाते चलाते I just finished it over, right?
हम्म।
But then people got to know that there was actually a previous version that was much better,
हम्म।
and that was being made by Zack Snyder. Zack Snyder is like, I'm not saying Joss Whedon is not good. He directed Avengers,
हम्म।
and Avenger is like far from being a bad movie.
हम्म।
But he didn't do good with DC, and Zack Snyder's cut was said that it was much better. So fans were like, release the Snyder's cut already.
हम्म।
Like release the Snyder's cut, we need it, right?
हम्म।
And it was for 3 years after release
हम्म।
that the fans got so bad that we are not gonna do this. We are not gonna move a next DC movie if we don't do it with the Zack Snyder. So finally, he was given a budget of 50 million bucks or 5 million bucks. I don't
हम्म।
remember exactly, and he was told to make the his cut
हम्म।
directly, like make it, and we won't make any changes and
हम्म।
release it as you liked, right? And that, my friend, is called Snyder's cut
ओके।
of
तो
Justice League.
रिलीज डेट
And
इसकी आई है अभी तक?
it's Zack Snyder is releasing on HBO Max on March
ओके।
18th, and unfortunately that's not available in India. But the movie will be divided. Most probably, we still don't know how it's gonna be released. It can be a 4 hour movie straight,
हम्म।
or it can be divided into 6 parts. They have been delusional for like I have posted the same news for like 3 times.
हम्म।
First, it was like it will be divided into 4 parts, 1 hour each. Then
हम्म।
they said it will be one straight movie for 4 hours, and then they said it will be like 6 parts divided, right?
हम्म।
So I was like, cool. whatevs. Now, it will be releasing on 18th March, and as said, since HBO is not available,
Hmm.
they will be releasing it in other countries where it's not available on demand or streaming services. So I'm guessing that if it comes out, it will be either Disney Plus
On Netflix.
or Netflix, or maybe they'll just release it on Google Play Movies and YouTube for a paid fee,
Hmm.
which I'm betting on, because last time, have did you see the movie? What was their name? Live action of some movie from Disney. It was a long ass project,
Hmm.
and because of pandemic, they had to release it digitally,
Hmm.
and it it had a ticket price till like 4 months of release, and then it got free for the premium users. So I guess that's gonna be what happens for Justice League Snyder Cut.
सो डीसी थोड़ा सा ना डार्क है, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा
हाँ, DC
डार्क
is a
है
dark
मार्वल।
universe.
एज कम्पेयर टू,
DC is a dark universe. हाँ.
इसीलिए उन्होंने जब जस्टिस लीग बनाई ना, तो उन्होंने सोचा कि मार्वल वाला चल जाएगा, मार्वल थोड़ा सा हैप्पी, थोड़ा सा उसका नहीं हो
Exactly.
क्योंकि
नहीं, DC is known for being dark.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो बैटमैन जो थी, मतलब अगर आपको उससे compete करना है तो आपको उस जोन में जाना पड़ेगा।
Exactly. Have you seen the Bat Tank in Justice League's trailer?
No,
Good lord, just search it up for a second. You'll be blown.
what?
Just search Bat Tank, just Snyder's Cut.
Oh.
That thing's gonna be sweet AF.
यार ये तो उससे भी ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है जो बैटमैन
Exactly,
में
जो
था।
Batmobile थी, Dark
हाँ,
Knight वाली Batmobile से भी ऊपर की चीज है ये.
ऊपर लग रहा है।
So Zack Snyder is basically, his cut is gonna be really good. Like, honestly saying, uski, like, they have hyped it so much that I think it will go to crap. That's what happens. Easy.
सो लास्ट चीज, मतलब इस पॉडकास्ट को खत्म करने से पहले हमें ये जानना है कि सबसे, अब हम डीसी की बात कर रहे हैं, तो सबसे अच्छा जोकर तुझे कौन सा पसंद है?
हाँ, जोकर.
सबसे अच्छा जोकर अभी तक कौन सा पसंद है?
Heath Ledger, followed by Joaquin Phoenix, hands down. Phoenix did a brilliant job at what he did in the Joker movie. Like, brilliant job. I didn't expect it to do it. Like, I didn't expect him to do it so good, but he did it. And honestly saying, I'm not saying he was as good as Heath, but like, Heath set a bar too high, honest to God. Right? But Joaquin came really close to it.
ओके, सो इन दैट नोट, आपको जो भी जोकर सबसे अच्छा लगता है इसको कमेंट डाउन बताइए हमें, और उसके ऊपर पोल करते हैं, कुछ मजेदार करते हैं, और नेक्स्ट बारी में और कुछ भी चीजें लेकर आएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग, एंड यू कैन गो टू द Gizmosity इंस्टाग्राम पेज विच माही रन
@the Gizmosity.
हाँ, the Gizmosity @ the Gizmosity which Mahi runs. हाँ,
it will be popping up on the screen, I guess now.
Yeah. अब तो करना ही पड़ेगा। So thank you so much, and do subscribe this channel and like this video, and until next time, thank you so much. Bye bye.